Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna do unboxing of this anti-car theft device that I have purchased from Amazon. So guys, when it comes to car security, modern cars are equipped with lot of features which really makes it difficult for thieves to steal. But still every day we hear reports about stealing. So that is why I purchased this, so that it makes stealing the car a bit more difficult. Of course, like what I know is like not every security system is having something that makes it vulnerable, but if you have more features you make it more difficult. That's all you can do, and that is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna remove this wrap and then we'll see it from there. So after removing the wrap, this is what I have got. Like, I have got a set of keys to unlock, and then this is something that I'm gonna mount on my driving wheel to do it. So let's see how it works. So I'm gonna insert a key here and then I'm gonna open it. Let me show you. So as you can see, I have inserted the key. Now if I move clockwise, it comes out. Okay, and I can open it like this. So now I'm gonna put it on my driving wheel and then I can mount it and I can lock it. Now let me see how easy that is, because this is the first time I have been using it, and it doesn't matter which position you put, but so like if I put it over here and if I lock it, if I remove I need to insert once more. So now it has been locked. So now driving with this is not gonna be possible, because as you see, whoever tries to drive, it's gonna hit and it's not gonna let them drive. So this is gonna be an additional security. Like, even if somebody like if you park your car anywhere, and nowadays people use new technology to copy your fob keys. So even if they copy your fob keys and they get into the car, but if you have this ready, this is definitely gonna act some deterrence to them. It will deter to them, because if they try to steal it, like this steering wheel, they cannot rotate 360 degrees because it's gonna stop here. So literally they cannot drive the car and run out if this is attached to the car, and this will deter them, and they may not pursue your car anymore. So this may help you. And with this, I have got these two pairs of two keys. So one you can carry along with you and one you can have spare. But yes, if you lose your key, then that's altogether a different thing, because if you lose it altogether, then somebody can come and open it. So it just makes it more difficult for thieves to steal your car. Of course it does. Now at this time, I'm not aware that how it impacts your insurance, because when I was checking online quotes from some companies, in one, I don't remember the name of the site, but there they had a column while filling up the online form, like, do you have any third party anti-theft device? Now this qualifies for a third party anti-theft device or not, I'm not sure, but you can always check with your insurance advisor, agent or broker, whoever you deal with. So you can always check with them if this is something that impacts your insurance. Even if it does not, this is not expensive. Like, I have gotten some $27 Canadian from Amazon, so it's not expensive. And if it impacts your insurance up to a certain level, then definitely it's really good. Like, even if it reduces $5 a month, that's much better. But again, I'm not sure if this qualifies and if this really reduces your premium, but you can always check with your insurance advisor if that helps. So this is how it works, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you, guys.